I am going to interview a candidate for a restaurant job. Next.
Hello, I'd like to have this job.
You would? Okay, well, have a seat and I'd love to talk to you about it. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I am pretty smart.
Uh-huh.
And I do exercise with Zumba a lot.
Yeah.
And I got a lot of color scope. What was that?
A lot of what?
Color. Forgot what it was called.
Can you tell me an example where you had a choice to do wrong or right, and tell me what was the outcome of that?
Well,
Can't think of anything? Can you tell me, do you show up on time for things?
yes.
Are you going to be late if you work here?
No.
No? Now, are you flexible or can you only work certain days of the week?
I'm flexible. I can bend.
Thank you. That's good to know. Could you tell me a time where you caught somebody doing the wrong thing and tell me what happened out of that?
So, I saw someone robbing
Robbing? Where? What happened?
at the bank.
At the bank?
Yeah.
So what did you do?
I tried to stop him,
You did?
but he was saying, "Get out of my face, woman."
That doesn't sound good, but at least you were brave enough to try and stop him, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you know what? I really like what I see here. I think I'm going to hire you. Welcome to the company.